You want a treat? One second, Trap. Sorry, bro. There you go, Bobo. Good morning. You good boo. Uh-oh, Trev, I'm taking a pee, bro. Hold up.
KJ.
There you are. What's up, dude?
Yeah, don't kill this guy right here.
Don't kill what guy?
He's a friendly.
Wait, don't kill what guy?
This guy right here.
Is he a player?
Yeah, he's a player.
Is he being cool? He's being cool?
Yeah, he's being cool. Hey.
He's not very cool, bro. He was not cool at all, dog. I'm sorry to say
it
it.
was not cool.
I don't know what he fucking had against Halo, but he found out real quick.
I know, right?
Fucker. Could have had a good thing, bro. We could have had a good thing.
Yeah.
See, you had to fucking get aggressive as shit.
Yeah.
Oh, there's his
another
partner.
one.
Oh, teabag, let him know. Oh no, he's not being cool at all.
Hold on.
I needed some with some bop. Let's go. I'm on other dots than a mug. Hey, when you gon' switch the flow? I thought you never asked.
He's not being very chill.
With some bop. Let's go.
Yeah, I know, right? Wait, yeah.
Alright, he's not being chill, bro. Alright, I don't know what you saw in these guys, but they're not very chill at all, okay? Fuckers. It was the opposite of chill, okay? I guess he got mad after he killed his buddy. Yeah, maybe. He's like, no, I won't be your friend after you killed my partner. Yeah, I know, right? Head towards island, bro. Dude, when I rolled up his partner, it was not good. He took aim at me right away. He was this motherfucker. Think you're gonna befriend my fucking partner and then not let me in the group? Oh, okay, bud. Okay. Huh?
When I play solo, I always get them.
Just randoms that make friends with you?
Yeah, straight up.
There ain't jack shit.
And
Go here, go here. Waiting on his buddy. He's building like an amateur. His buddy just came up. He's right here.
yeah, I see
They
what
suck. They suck, dude. Darth Vader dipped. Yeah, they're going this way. Chase him. Let's chase him.
Right? You see him?
Yeah, I marked him. He's right here. You see him right below me? I'm literally on top of him.
Right behind us.
Got one down, one down.
One time?
Good shit, Trevor. Trying to run from us like that. Get the fuck out of here. There was another dude up there. I don't know if you saw him, but he was like up there. We were pulling.
I think it was the bot.
You sure?
It was the bot. Yeah.
Oh, on top
stay
of that
ahead of us,
thing.
stay ahead of us.
Yeah, I see him, I see him.
Field.
102, 102. Knock.
Yeah, I'm shooting up. Shooting up.
Boxing up, he's boxing up.
He's right here, he's right here. He can't move, he can't go back.
Yeah, we got here. Down, top.
I needed some with some bop in it. Let's go. I'm on nothing.
He's still in here?
No, he's dead. I got him. I already emoted on his ass and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta go. We got a medallion though right over this way. Be careful. Yeah, medallion. I think on island. No, they're shooting at me from over there.
Oh, they're coming down, they're coming down, they're coming down. Oh, that. Shield down.
31, 92 white.
Got him, knocked him, knocked him.
Yes.
Go, go, go.